guys, it's Rihanna and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I would love it if you subscribed, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you don't like it, okay. Today, I know I'm a little late. I was going to wait to open this until Christmas, but then I decided why not do it now and make a video. So, this is the Jeffree Star Deluxe mystery box, and I'm so excited because I've never gotten any of his mystery boxes before. So, let's open it up and see what's inside. Didn't open the whole thing yet. Okay, open the wrong. Jeez, I can't even figure out how to open this box. This is. How many times does it take to open a box? Okay, this is just embarrassing. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, that's the top. Okay, ready? Okay, the first item. I was hoping there would be an article of clothing in here. It feels like a sweatshirt. Okay. Ooh, it's a Jeffree Star hood. Oh my god, this is so cute. Jeffree Star hood. Oh, let me move the hood. Jeffree Star hoodie. It says Jeffree Star Cosmetics. What else does it say down here? Premium Cosmetics Company, 5-year anniversary, Calabasas, California. That's so cute. And then, oh my goodness, in the back corner it says iconic. And then it has these cute, adorable stars on the sleeve. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. I don't even remember. Oh, medium, perfect. Oh, that's so exciting. Hooray. Oh, I just saw all the, okay, let's see. Oh, okay, so I've never tried any of his Supreme Frost highlighters before. Caramel Kiss. Mama loves caramel. Okay, let's open this up. Caramel Kiss. Ooh. Another horrible attempt at me opening a box. Okay. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I feel like that looks so good in the summer with a fake tan. That's gorgeous. There, I don't know if you guys can see that. I swatched it a little for you. Ooh, I don't know why I sniffed it. I guess I was hoping it smelled like caramel. Oh, that is so pretty. That will look beautiful in the summer. Oh wow, that is so pretty. Okay, what's next? Okay. Oh. Okay, so this was opened. I'm hoping no one used it. Let's see. This is the shade Soft Serve. Ooh, it's a very light pink. So this one doesn't. Oh, I love that. Okay, let's swatch that. That's beautiful. Ooh, it's like the prettiest peachy pink. Oh, that is gorgeous. Wow, so it looks a lot lighter in the bottle than what it is. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, how cute are these? Okay, so these are adorable stickers. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. The tea, sis. Hi, how are ya? Let's see what else they say. Jeffree Star approved. Beauty killer. I like this one. It says bland, bitch. That is so cute. Can't relate. These are so cute, guys. Oh my goodness, I love these. I'm trying to think what I can do with them. I'll probably put them down in my salon. That is so cute. Those are so cute. Oh my goodness, I love those. This is the best box ever. I hopped on his website when I saw that everything was going on sale, like Thanksgiving Day. I put a timer on my phone, and I set it for 2 minutes before everything was about to go on sale. I told my husband, I said, watch the kids. I have important things to buy myself. and then hopped on. I snatched that deluxe box right up. Got the volume 2, the nudes volume 2, and his lipstick holder. And I'm so glad I got it because this is so awesome so far. Okay, what's next? Cute. Oh, this is a metal straw. Look, it looks like a candy cane. It says Jeffree Star on it. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, oh, cool. It even comes with a cleaner. Oh, that is so nice. Wow. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. Oh. Ooh, what's this? Another liquid lip. Oh, I just saw on the box that his liquid lips say shake well before use. I never saw that. Ooh, dang. Oh, wow. This is like gold. Ooh, I want to swatch this too. So this is called First Class. That looks so, oh, that'll look so good in the summer with the gold highlighter. There's First Class. That's beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love that. This is like Christmas came early. Thank you, Santa. I'm so glad I'm wearing my Santa hat for this. There's some empty tissue paper. We don't want that. Oh, I was so excited. Actually, the main reason I bought this box was because I saw on his Instagram stories about the peppermint frost. I hope this is everything. I hope it will be. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, this packaging is just so cute. It's like a candy cane. These are so beautiful. Look how beautiful these are. So we have ugly sweater, igloo gold, and then chocolate ice. Oh my goodness, can you guys see those? Oh, sorry, I'm so pale. It's probably, I don't know if they're picking up. There we go, a little. These are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's awesome. That was everything I thought it would be. Get out. Oh, it's the Thirsty palette. Oh my goodness. This is so, oh my goodness, I love this palette. I've been wanting this for so long. Oh my goodness. Merry Christmas to me. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I can't believe we got all that in the box. I mean, so the box, I paid $100 for it, but all the stuff is well worth it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't believe we got this whole palette in here. That's crazy. That's insane. Okay, but I am going to put it all back. I'm not going to use it until Christmas. Give myself a little Christmas treat. That is so good. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for all this. I love everything in there. All the colors. Oh my gosh, this gold liquid lipstick. That's going to look so good. And I just finally invested in... because your girl pale. I'm so pale. So I finally got the Loving Tan 2-hour deluxe one. I got that to try. So, but I feel like all these gold shades are gonna look so beautiful when I have some color. Ugh. If you got the mystery box or any of his boxes, let me know what you got. I love seeing what other people get too. Wow, I'm so excited. That was so awesome. That's like way more, especially because we got the Thirsty palette. Like, that's way more than I could have hoped for. Thank you, Jeffree Star. I love you so much. Thank you for making such wonderful makeup. Alright guys, well thank you for unboxing this with me. If you got your boxes, I hope you love everything as much as I do. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.